Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you what is inside Lemoncraft Scrapbooking Mystery Box. This is the March box. It's beautifully packed, and if you haven't ordered yours yet and you don't want to see what is inside, please turn the video off now. So, every month Anna prepare a beautiful mood board for you, something to inspire you and to give you some ideas for creating with the products included in the box. It is packed with amazing products, I promise you that, and you will have lots of fun with it. On the leaflet you will also find information how you can order your box. It is all beautifully packed and wrapped, and this could be a perfect gift for someone you love, for a friend, for someone who'd like to do handmade things. Inside there are some gorgeous pieces. So we have one box with embellishments, laces and flowers, and then the pack full of papers. I will show you all that is included so you can take a look, and you can still order the box. So if you will think you will like the content, you can still buy it. Not for long now, because only probably a few more days, but yes. So we have a paper flowers, light pink, white, ivory colors, beautiful roses, a gorgeous butterfly, which is actually a clip, like a hair clip, or you can attach it to a project. Then we have laces. I really love this one. I already have an idea what to do with it, because I think it will be perfect to create a dress for, I don't know, a wedding dress, whatever. I will come with a dress at some point, you will see in the inspiration. Today I'm only showing you what is in the box, but be sure to come back to my channel, because I will have a videos when I will be creating the project with the content. And we've got another piece of that fabulous lace, I don't know even how to call it, and also a tracing wheel, which I use a lot, almost in every video when I work with the paper. It gives your paper a fantastic false stitching to the paper. Then we've got a stack of beautiful cards. There are square and rectangle. These could be a perfect mats or frames for an album, or like junk journal, or maybe a mini album, or even if you would like to create a layout or a frame. Super pretty. Underneath the paper we have two chipboard sets. One is for a 3D basket, and the other one is like for a 3D stand. This will be perfect for exploding box, and I will have a video showing you how to put them together. In the box, in the mystery box, we have an exploding box base and also an exploding box holder. I will definitely show you how to use this. And then we have some papers, some basic papers in beige and pink color. I absolutely adore those colors, and I love that they have very delicate patterns, so I'm sure I will use them a lot. And then we have some A4 papers with elements to cut out, frames, labels, butterflies, flowers. Super pretty. And the last item is a wood pattern A4 paper. It's the whole part with different wooden patterns on one side and then music notes on the other side of each paper. So this is it. Absolutely beautiful box, as you can see, full of goodies, and I'm sure I will work with it very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check the Lemoncraft Facebook page or Instagram. They have many beautiful inspirations there. Take care everyone. Bye bye.